Companies like Amazon, Kobo and Nook have spent millions of dollars trying to make their computer tablets act more like paper books. But I'm going to show you how you can make more sales by making your low content books act more like a computer tablet. I'm Andrew Stevenson, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my top 5 reasons for using QR codes to put some high-tech magic into your low content books. QR codes were developed in the 90s by Toyota to allow cars to be tracked through the manufacturing process. Since then, they've become more popular in almost every industry as a way to share a lot of data in a very small space. Nowhere is this more apparent than in marketing. So why shouldn't we use QR codes to market our low and medium content books? QR stands for Quick Response. It's a type of barcode that can store more information than traditional barcodes and can be scanned using a smartphone. You'll have seen them on pub tables where pubs use them to direct customers to the menus. Shops use them to share business information like location, opening times and contact details. And now we're going to use them to sell more low content books. There are many reasons you might want to put a QR code in your low content book, and here's my top 5. You can use a QR code to link to your social media accounts. Now this is a really good way to keep customers up to date with your planned releases throughout the year. You can even use it to create an email list of customers, enabling you to target those customers directly with newsletters and offers. If a customer liked your 2023 cat themed diary, there's a good chance they'll like your cat themed notebook too. Tell them when it comes out and where they can buy it from. Reviews are a really important way of generating more sales, but it's not always easy to get customers to leave positive ones. They've got to log back into Amazon, go through the past orders, find your book, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Make it easy for them by including a QR code that sends them directly to the product you want to review. If you create colouring books or activity books, you can give the customer more value by offering free printables. These are basically an extra page or two from the book in a digital format. There's only one thing people like more than a bargain, and that's getting something for free. And while they're waiting for the file to download, they might as well sign up for your newsletter. If you sell books from your own website or you use another retail platform like Etsy or Lulu, you can send yourself new customers by linking the QR code in your book to that other platform. If the customer has bought your book because they like the front cover you've made, they like the pattern you've used, or they like a character from a children's book that you've made, they might also buy those patterns on mugs or magnets. You can use a QR code to link the physical customer-owned book directly to your author page. That way, a person who bought your book will have every single book you've made right in front of their eyes. If you sell notepads, stick a QR code a few pages from the end to remind the customer that this book is nearly filled and they'd better order another one. If you create fitness trackers or progress planners, insert a QR code 2 weeks from the end of the book and tell the customer that if they want to keep up the good work, they should really buy another one. All they've got to do is scan the QR code and it takes them directly to the product you're going to sell them. So there you have it. That's my top 5 reasons for adding QR codes to your KDP books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.